Hello Team RTT, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So yeah, Israel the trader speaking right here. So today guys, here we go again, live and direct on YouTube. So we're just trying to trade live today. So yeah, today being 6th of March 2023. Here we go again, live and direct. All right. So okay guys, so this is a USD CHF, and this trade we took it last week guys, and as we took it last week, we are still holding it, or I'm still holding it rather. But some of my students, they are still holding it as well, not only me, right? Not the only person that is still holding it. You can see that my students here, they are still holding. If I go to our chart, where is the chart right now? Yeah, if I go to our chart, let me check. Okay, this is our chart right now. You can see they are still holding some of the trade. Of course I updated them. We are still holding guys. All right, we are still holding. So yeah, I just wanted to make a reference in respect to the trade right here, so you guys can know that yeah, we are actually in this trade, right? So yeah, this is USD CHF, and I want to first of all wish each and every one of you a happy new week. And again, if today is your first time here guys, make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Make sure you like the video, and also let's get things started, right? Like we usually do. If you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze, you can just say, hey Israel, can you please, or can you check out this particular pair for me? I will gladly do that. All right, because this is a live trading session and we are supposed to do everything live, and let's get it, man. All right, so like I was saying, this is USD CHF, and this trade we took it last week guys, and of course we are still in Euro USD as well. Same thing with GBP USD. So these are the three trade that we are in right now. You can see Euro USD about to go and hit our final take profit for 100 pips, because we trade we are what is to call it, we are swing traders guys. We don't just trade, we don't just scalp the market, get in, get out, get in, get out, and stuff like that. We are swing traders. We trade long time, right? Once we are in a trade, we hold our trade for like 1 week, 2 weeks, 5 days, 4 days, 3 days. It depends on how volatile the market is, right? So that's what you are experiencing right now. As you can see, we took this trade last week Friday. Yeah, I guess it was on Friday or on Thursday. Yeah, we took it on Thursday, I guess. So now the market is pushing to the upside guys, and of course if I should check my my MT4 right now, we are deeply in profit guys. I'm about $14,000 up right now. So that's it, man. That's it, because right now we are about 70 pips, over 70 pips in profit on this particular trade right now. All right, so in today's video, or today's live session, we are going to be like looking out for another trade to take and things like that. And I can see that GBP JPY is trying to be ready to push back up to the upside, but let's see what happens next. All right, so this is GJ, and of course like I said, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just say, hey Israel, can you check this particular pair for me, and I will gladly do that. Just go down to the live chat section and let me know which other pair you want me to check out for you. And of course don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. As a matter of fact, let me share it with our ITT channel, right? Because it is very, very important. Let me share it right there, guys. Very, very important. Okay, so yeah, let me just go down to Euro USD first. Okay, so we are here now, trying to trade live. All right, yeah, just shared it, guys, and we are already live here. I'm gonna check this out. Okay. All right, so this is Euro USD, and of course we are still holding it, guys. And you can see where my final take profit is around 1.06851. That's where my final take profit is at the moment, and it is for 100 pips. And of course you can see what I said here. I said minus 50 pips stop loss to make positive 100 pips TP. That is 1 to 2 RRR, which is risk to reward ratio, right? So risk to reward ratio, guys, it is very, very important whenever you are trying to trade, or whenever time you are trying to execute your trade. At least you have to know what is your risk to reward ratio. It is very, very important, so that you'll not just be blindly getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out, and stuff like that whenever time you're trying to trade the forex market. So with that being said, I saw somebody is saying, let me check it out. Okay, Hassan Forex is saying GBP JPY and GBP USD. Of course, yeah, GBP USD. Like I said, I'm buying GBP USD right now. Let me check it out. So this is excuse me. This is GBP USD. You can see it's still flying up. As I said, I am buying it, right? Buying this particular pair. Let me check it out. Yeah, I'm already in a buy, but this is not where I got in. We got in late when I did this analysis and stuff like that. Am I not in GBP USD? I'm in, yeah. I'm already in GBP USD, guys. So, but we did not get in right here because you know, we got in late and stuff like that. So on GBP USD right now, I'm seeing that the market will continue to push back up to the upside to around price 1.21453. That's where I'm expecting GBP USD to reach before it might come down for retracement or stuff like that. All right, so that's what I'm seeing on GU right now, guys. All right, so but I will give you details of how, you know, you can do this analysis and all that, because right now I'm just trying to like do it on my own and stuff like that. All right, so for example, if this is where we got in right now, this is where supposed to be our final take profit, or we have different zones here, guys. Let me just mark everything out so we can see it, right? You can see this structure. It is another level that we can take our final take profit, yeah. So that's that. But you know, long term, this is where the final take profit is supposed to be, and it's gonna go for like 200 pips, yeah. It's gonna go for like 200 pips, and this is going to be like 50 pips stop loss. So boom, you can see right now, this is how it is. And of course, this is what is going to happen, like this. This is another level here, guys. So I will expect the market to come down for this retracement before it's going to continue back up to the upside. This is what I'm expecting on GBP USD. So let's wait and see for the market to come back down to this level around price 1.20211. That's where I'm expecting GBP USD to reach before it's gonna go back up to the upside. So let's just observe it and see what is going to happen, guys. It is very, very important for us to be patient in this market. No need for us to just be like rushing or trying to execute the trade, trying to do this, do that, and so on and so forth. So, that's just it, guys. All right. Okay. Mali is saying, hey, Israel. Hey, man. How you doing, bro? Hope you good. Yeah. If today is your first time here, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and family, and of course, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button and let's get things started. Let's go, man. All right. So somebody is asking if we should, or if we still have another next signal. All right. So yeah, next signal is going to be like, depending on what I'm seeing in the market and stuff like that, because right now I don't have any signal for you guys, right? Except maybe in my paid group or paid channel, or to my paid members, right? Of course, we have VIP signal channel, we have a premium channel where I teach how to trade, where I mentor a lot of students. Over 300 students are in there. So if you want to join us, we are already on discount right now. The price is $350 per lifetime mentorship, but right now it is just going for $100. That is just it. And of course, if you want to join us right now. Just DM me on Instagram, Twitter, and of course Facebook, or our Telegram channel, or on our Telegram handle. You can just do that right now. Just check it out. And of course, all the links that I just mentioned are down in the description of this video, so you can just go down there and contact me right now for you to join the ITT lifetime premium mentorship or ITT monthly signal. It depends on which one you want to join, right? But right now we have discount running $250 off on our lifetime mentorship. So instead of you to pay $350, you are just going to pay $100. Do you understand what I'm saying? All right. So for you to see all my trade, all signals, and of course you have my lifetime support and everything. So do join us right now and be part of the ITT family. It is very, very important, guys. All right. With that being said, let's continue with what we were doing, right here. It is very, very important. All right. So this is GBP USD, guys. For those of you that are just joining us, we're doing this analysis of GBP USD. All right. So Tranquilla, you are the one that asked that question. So yeah, next signal. Anytime I have a good confirmations on any particular pair, be it GBP USD, be it GBP JPY, Euro JPY, whatever currency pair it is, so far I like or I see, I have my complete confirmations or signal confluences on that particular pair, definitely we gotta just get in or execute our trade, right? Because that's what we do, guys. That's what we do. All right. So yeah, as I was saying, this is GBP USD, and let's see if the market is going to come down to this level before we are going to execute another trade, or we just look it out and continue to see what the market does, right? But we might just get in, guys. Let's just see what the market will give to us as time goes on. So it is very, very important for us to be patient. Because I can go down to my lowest time frame. Okay, on the 5 minute time frame right now, it has almost reached down this zone, but let's continue to wait, guys. I'm still waiting. All right, let's continue to wait for it to come down to this point, and we execute our trade. But if I see that I'm seeing a lot of bullish candlestick patterns trying to overshadow the bearish candlestick pattern, definitely I will just get in again and boom, ride it all the way to the upside. But for now, we keep on observing. All right. So another scenario that might play out on GU is a breakout on this particular structure, breakout here. If it break out here again, boom, it's going to continue to go back up to the upside. And of course, you can decide to what is it called? What is this? Of course, you can decide to put your buy stop right here around price 1.20483, 1.20483. So you can put your buy stop right there. What it means is that whenever time the market break out of this structure, you are just saying that okay, it's going to continue to buy, right? So that's just the meaning of buy stop. Of course, you can set that right here. But right now, I don't trade buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limit, and all that. We trade market executions, because I used to be on chart, guys. I used to be on chart almost every time I'm available, or almost every time I'm trading. Hassan, on Telegram, I sent you a message, but I can't send you a message. Oh, okay, all right. What you would do is you can just message me on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. Just check the description of this video. You will see that I have okay, the message has been deleted. All right, so I was trying to answer what you said, but you just deleted the comment. All right, so let's continue to see what the market bring for us, guys. It is very, very important. Yeah, very, very important. So that is it. Okay, but as I said, I'm already in this trade, guys. I'm already in it, or we are already in it. So even if I miss this very entry point, it's not going to be a problem. But for your sake, it is going to be a problem, right? So right now, it keep on pushing to the upside. So let's see what happens, guys. This is 15 minutes time frame, by the way. This is 5 minutes time frame, and this is 30 minutes time frame. This is 30 minutes time frame, and of course, this is 1 hour time frame. So you can see that on each time frame, the movement varies, right? I mean, the candlestick varies instead. So if you are doing top-down analysis, you should be able to understand what I'm saying, right? Okay, somebody is saying that can we enter this trade now? It's a bit late, but we are waiting for the market to give us a perfect entry point. What I mentioned earlier, since you are just joining us, right? What I mentioned earlier is that we need the market to come down to around price 1.20 or 1.20202. 1.20202. So we need the market to come down to that level before we can execute another trade. All right, before we can execute another trade. Very, very important. So that's what we are waiting on GBP USD. And of course, we are in this trade since last week. Even on Euro USD, we are on that particular trade as well. Let me check Euro USD so you all can know what I'm talking about. So this is Euro USD. We are also buying Euro USD since last week. And of course, if you go down to our premium Telegram channel, let me just show it to you guys. If you go down to our premium Telegram channel, okay, this is one of our students, guys, that just passed FTMO. So I mean, it's not FTMO, next step funded trader. I mean, so he just passed it, and you all can see that he's rocking it. All right, he's rocking it, guys.
But you don't know where to start. Don't worry, because
so
he's rocking it. All right.
So that's it right now for this particular students. Ryan, congratulations, bro. Congratulations on your achievement. That's good. All right. So let's go down and check what's happening in our. Okay, this is our premium channel right now. You can see. Okay, you can see this was the Euro USD analysis I sent. This was it, guys. You can see it right here. This was the Euro USD analysis. So I don't know if. Oops, what is happening here? So this was it, guys. You can. All right, it was echoing, guys. All right, so this is the analysis on GBP. I mean on Euro USD I sent to them earlier, and of course this was USD CHF. You guys can see, right? So if we should go and check USD CHF and what is it call it, Euro USD, you guys can see on Euro USD the market pushed to the upside, and if we should go down to USD CHF, where is it? This is USD CHF right now. You can see that the market is still pushing as well, and I just showed it to you guys that I sent this analysis and I sent the trade to our students, right? We are long-term traders, guys. We don't just trade like for 1 hour and we are done, or we scalp the market or something like that. We don't do none of that. All right, so when we execute a trade, we go for long-time trading plan. So like on this particular trade now, if the market should hit our final take profit, we are going to take like 150 pips as our final take profit, but we were risking only 50 pips to make 150, and that's 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. When you are a long-term trader, definitely, or when you are a swing trader, definitely your emotion, or you just be calm, guys. You'll be very, very calm. That I can assure you. You'll be very calm. So that's the only thing that I enjoy when it comes to swing trading. Unlike scalping, you have to like be checking it, maybe trading with on 1 minute time frame, 2 minute time frame, or any of that. Because me personally, I don't do none of that, guys. I do none of that, right? So yeah, I think I answered your question now. X Maxio or something like that. I can't pronounce your name, but okay, gaming. Yeah, I think that answered your question. So yeah, Male said not yet. You have to wait. Don't just blindly enter the market. It's going to hurt you. That's for sure. That's for sure, bro. That's for sure. Okay, okay, gaming is okay, just I'm at work, so currently don't have long. Oh wow, got it, bro. Understood, man. So yeah, okay, somebody is saying that is Blue Ridge. Can you redo your top-down analysis? Yeah, I can do it, but I don't show everything here, guys. That's why we have paid programs running. I can show you, but not everything. All right. So Abraham is saying, nice to hear from you today, ITT. Keep up the good work, sir. That's good. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. JK is saying, let's get it, bro. You know what it means. We're rocking it, bro. All right. So what about USD card? USD card is just misbehaving, guys. It's just misbehaving, but let's see what the market give to us. Okay, I'm seeing it might start to push to the downside, by the way. It might start to push to the downside, but I don't know when. But it will start, definitely. It will start. So all right. So yeah, as I said, if today is your first time here, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and of course give this video a thumbs up. It is very, very important. And if you want to support the channel, you can go down to the live chat section. You see where it says show your support for Israel the Trader. You show support $5, $1, $2, whatever it is that you want to support the channel with, right? It is very, very important. You think USD CHF gonna go down? I should take the trade. Exactly, bro. But let me say something. USD CHF definitely it will still go down because I'm in that very trade. I am in it right now as we speak. All right. Not only me, even my students, they are in it as well. But let me explain something to you before executing this trade. or before you take another position on this particular trade. All right, you see what is happening right now is the market try, this is where I got in, push down to the downside, hit our first take profit. Right now decided to push back up to the upside, but what kept me alive in this trade, and what kept me and my students alive in this trade, let me show it to you, was this particular candlestick pattern here. This is a sell signal, and remember, though some of you guys are not our students, right, I do tell them that before you consider any candlestick pattern to be valid, we have some criteria that you are supposed to follow. Number one is it must be at your key level, be it support or resistance level, right? But you can see this one right now, it is at my resistance level, so that kept my trade alive, and that's why we did not close it, right? The second thing is I saw this particular candlestick pattern again, and hey, I was like, okay, let's get it and let's keep on holding. This is what we refer as a tweezer stop, and tweezer stop, it is a sell signal. It is a sell signal. If you know, or if you are a price action trader and a naked chart trader, because that's what I am. I'm a price action and a naked chart trader, guys. So if you are a price action and naked chart trader like me, definitely you should be able to know about candlestick patterns very, very well. You should be able to know about that, guys. But if you don't know, hey man, you're not a price action trader, because price action goes hand in hand with candlestick pattern. All right. What is this? What is happening on USD CHF right now is I'm seeing it coming to this point like this here. Let me just mark it out so you all can see. All right, let me just mark it out here. Okay, so I'm seeing it coming up to this point, but before that there's a level that needs to be broken, needs to break. So it has to break out of this structure. It has to break out of this to this point before it's going to come back up to this level. All right, so the reason why I say that, if you take your Fibonacci retracement right now and measure it from top to bottom, you see that here it is our 61%. You can see without even using Fibonacci retracement, I knew where the market will come up for a retracement. All right, you can see I plotted this level here first before I now say, okay, let's check it out with our Fib retracement. All right, so that's what is happening right now, and believe me, as you see this market, it might come up to either this level here, and if it breaks out of this, definitely it's come up to this our 61% level. So we need the market to come to that point, guys, before we can then say that yeah, it's going to continue to push down to the downside. But right now it is not recommendable to just execute this very trade or to just get in right now. It is not recommendable. Yo. Oh my goodness. I just saw something, guys. Henry is saying, Israel, you still, thank goodness I'm still alive. I'm still alive, bro. All right, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Okay, so with that being said, I'm still alive, and I just decided to come here today live on YouTube so we can just try as much as we can to just trade and do one or two things, guys. But hopefully I will have time soon and continue to go live, and of course make some videos, and just to help you guys out here trying to just make profit in the Forex market and stuff like that. All right, so if today is your first time here, or if you are not following me on my social media handle, guys, please, I'm very active on that. Very active, especially on my free Telegram channel, especially on my free Telegram channel. All the links are down in the description below, guys. Just check it out. I am very, very active on that. And of course, if you want to just maybe, you know, talk with me every time and things like that, you have to join the ITT Premium Mentorship. Alright, so this is my free Telegram channel, guys. This is the free Telegram channel. You know, I'm very, very much active here, be it day, night, whatsoever. Very, very much active. Okay, so join us right now and, you know, be seeing my updates. I'm still alive and we still trading, bro. All right, so yeah, with that being said, let's go back down and continue with what we were saying on you know, what was that? Okay, on USD CHF. All right, so yeah, like I was saying, I did not put my fib retracement initially before I said, okay, this is where the market will reach before it's going to go down to the downside. All right, but you know, before you reach this level, it has to break out of this structure and continue to push to the upside. But for now, let's just watch out for whatever that is going to happen on USD CHF. You know, you have to wait, guys. Patience is the key when it comes to Forex market. You just have to be patient, to be honest with you. You just have to be patient, guys. It's a must. So, all right. So with that being said, let's check out on another pair. Yeah, I was trying to say something about USD CAD, by the way. Okay, so USD CAD again is going to go down to the downside as well, guys. But yeah, stop loss is going to be like 60 something pips. Oh my goodness. Let me see where the okay. This is where the final take profit is going to be if we should trade USD CAD right now. This is where the final take profit is going to be. So let me measure this to this point, 141 pips. All right, 141 pips. So this 141 pips, risking 60 pips, so that's over 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, you know. And me here at ITT, we actually go for at least guys 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's the least we go for. All right. All right, sorry guys, I'm kind of experiencing some error. Let me check what's going on, but it's still quite okay. But can you guys still hear me? Let me know down in the chat section, because I'm seeing some sort of error messages here. So let me know down in the live chat section. Let me know if you guys are still hearing me. All right. Okay, he says you disappear for a minute. Not for a minute, guys. It's been a long time, by the way. It's been a long time. But I'll try as much as I can to just be live here. And of course, if you guys want to be seeing my live trade and all of that, we do charge $60, you know, for live, you know, for lifetime and all that. But that one is for my premium students. But $60 for 1 month if you are not a premium student. All right, so it's just $60. Then you'll be seeing my you know, me taking trade and all of that on Zoom. So you know, during London sessions and New York sessions. All right, but right now, guys. Okay, Mali is saying, yeah, he can hear me. All right, he can hear me. That's cool. That's cool. So yeah, I think we are gonna wait for USD CAD to just for us to be able to trade. You know, let me just try as much as I can to just do this analysis. This is just 1 hour time frame, guys, and this is not how I usually do analysis. I do top-down analysis, but you know, this is live on YouTube. I don't want to just go deep into my strategy and all of that. But I will help you guys. I will help you just to, in respect of you trying to know what the right things to be done and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna go down deep. I'm not gonna go down deep, guys. I prefer to be transparent with you guys than for me to just be deceiving you that okay, this is my strategy, blah blah blah, this and that on YouTube here. A lot of YouTubers does that, but me, I don't do that, guys. It's better I tell you, okay, see, this is just the basics and not the main strategy I use and stuff like that. So you can just know, okay, Israel did not share everything, but he shared some of the basics. Okay, all right. So that's one of the reasons why I'm saying what I'm saying right now. Okay, so I'm trying to do this analysis right now on this what is it call it, on this 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, guys. This is 1 hour time frame, and we're trying to do one or two here, guys. So this is the analysis I'm doing, so you all can just know that okay, this is how we do it and stuff like that on the 1 hour time frame. So we're just trying to take our time and do everything. So yeah, this is just my key levels, guys, support and resistance. But you see I have something right here. Let me just mark it out. I have something here, this zone, right? You know why I put this? Of course you might not know, but I know right now. And can you guys still hear me? Because oh man, just having some interruptions. Okay, all right. Try to check one or two here, guys. So yeah, there we go. The 1 hour candle has been closed. So now the market all right. So yeah, as I was saying, sorry guys, I'm just having some interruptions with messages. So I will just be checking it out. It's kind of important. Okay. So yeah, as I was saying, guys, this is the USD card, and of course, like I said earlier, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, Okay, somebody is saying, yeah, I could hear you. Everything okay? Okay, all right. Yeah, everything is okay, guys. I'm just having some sort of messages. That's where I was trying to check and stuff on. Everything is okay. All right. So let's go back down to the business where we are trying to analyze this USD card, right? So this is USD card right now, and like I mentioned earlier, I put this because of a few reasons, right? So the market can decide to do what we refer as a ranging market, guide, something like this. Just be moving inside this structure. All right. And again, it can decide to just do something like this. From here now, it might just come up to this point and boom, push down to this level, come up again, and boom, push down to this area, right? But remember, it's not going to be smooth like this. It's not going to be smooth like this, guys. Okay? It's not going to be smooth. So you just have to understand how everything works. Just have to understand that. Very, very important. So that's why I'm trying to say that, okay, I put this for a reason. So right now, we might just see the market try to push to the upside a little bit before he's going to go down and sell. All right. So, but we just have to wait, guys. Let me just delete this so that it will not be confusing us. So any breakout, if the market break out to the upside and break out of this structure around price 1.36655, 1.36655, definitely the market will continue to push back up to the upside. But if the market is not able to do that, I will see what is going to happen at this current level, which is right here at this current level. So I can just either take a sell or take a buy. But right now, I'm seeing that the market is still ready to go up for a retracement to this point, to that point, before he's going to go down to the downside. So it's very important for us to make sure we take note of all these structures and key levels that I'm mentioning. Very, very important, guys. All right. So, but without us knowing all these structures and key levels, we'll just be executing our trade blindly, out of which it will cost us a lot of things, which is money, right? Not a lot of things, which is money. So that's why I say it is very important for us to keep note of all this movement that is happening in the market. If we should enter this trade right now, here, this is just about 75 pips, and the stop loss is going to be like 50 something pips. So yeah, it's kind of okay though, but let's see what happens here, guys. Let's just see what happens, because this candle that I'm seeing right here, I regard it as a doji, and doji candlestick pattern is an indecisive candle in the market. Is an indecisive candle in the market. All right, so we don't just have to rush the market whenever time we see that particular candlestick pattern. So let's just try as much as we can to wait and see what exactly is going to happen. It is very, very important. All right, okay, somebody saying any new signal USD JPY. I'm just checking this USD CHF right now, and I'm not saying that it is a new signal, but I'm seeing USD card is gonna go down to the downside. But I'm seeing you are asking about USD JPY. All right, let me check it out. Okay, USD JPY have been going to the upside, and there's another thing, guys, that you guys are supposed to consider, which is what is it call it? Which is DXY, sorry to say, which is DXY. So you have to know how DXY is moving, because DXY will determine the movement of USD pairs. So how strong USD is going to be, how weak USD is going to be, and so on and so forth, you know. But right now this is USD JPY. So on this USD JPY, I'm seeing a lot of structures that we might consider as our key levels to target. All right, so let's just mark it out like this, and focus on this level, focusing here. All right, and I'm still seeing another level here, which is that. So USD JPY right now, guys, no need to sell this right now. Like I said earlier, it can still go for retracement, because if only we are supposed to sell this right now, this is where we are supposed to get in, right here. That's where we are supposed to get in on USD JPY. For the fact that we are not able to get in right at this point, if it's me, I would rather wait for it to come back up again for another retracement. Except if you are a short-term trader, or if you are a scalper, definitely you can just, you know, decide to trade it, or, you know, just to have like one or two pips, or let's just say just to have like 10-20 pips, you know. But we don't do that, or I don't do that. All right, I don't do that. So since I don't do that, why should I advise you to do it? Something that I don't personally do. So it makes no sense for me to tell you, yeah, you can do it. All right, so we can wait for it to come to this point before, you know, we see it's gonna go down. This level can be our resistance level, and before we see the market push to the downside. And this is gonna be for how many pips? This is gonna be for like 226 pips, or let's say 200 pips, you know. And your stop loss is gonna be above this level here. Let me see. Stop loss is gonna be above, so you're gonna be risking like about 50 something pips. It's supposed to be up here, but you know, it's gonna be a lot of stop loss. It's gonna be huge like that, so you can risk like 60 pips on this trade, and you know, ride it all the way to the downside. But like I said, you have to be patient enough, guys. We have to be patient enough in order for us to just enjoy this particular market, which is trading the forex in the forex market, right? So this forex industry definitely is not easy, but it is simple. I don't know if you guys have heard of that. It's not easy, but it is simple. All right, so let me check out something. Okay, all right, let's go back down to USD CHF or USD CAD. Was that USD CAD? Okay, all right, USD CAD is trying to give us this particular move, guys. Okay, USD CAD is getting ready to sell now. You remember what I said earlier, right? So it's trying to get ready to sell. Let's see, this is gonna be for like 70 something pips, but stop loss is gonna be much, by the way. Nah. Okay. Nope. It's not giving me what I want, guys. Except we are going to target this, and this zone, it's not going to be easy. It's going to take time, you know. So, but right now, let's keep on seeing what is going to happen. Let me go down. Okay, on the 5 minute time frame, it's trying to push back. Definitely it's gonna push back, guys, but let's put stop loss above this. All right, so yeah, right now I'm seeing USD card is gonna continue to push down to the downside. That's what I'm seeing right now, guys. Let me see where my stop loss is gonna be. Right here, 35 pips. Okay, it's not that bad. 35 pips is not that bad. All right, we are gonna be taking this trade, guys. USD card. We're gonna be taking this trade any moment from now. And go back down to, okay, 5 minutes. So while these 5 minutes candle close, I will see what happens next. Then gonna execute our trade. But it's supposed to break out of this before we get in. But let's see. This is an engulfing candle on this smaller time frame, guys, and is corresponding with what I have on the 1 hour time frame. That's why I said we might just get in on this. All right. So the trade is just gonna be for live streaming here on YouTube, so that we all can eat in this market. All right, so I'm looking at USD card. I'm looking at USD card to sell, guys. Sell. That's what I'm looking at. I'm gonna go bearish on USD card, but let's see after this 5 minute time frame is closed. All right. Okay, it's not closed, so let's see what it's going to give us on this 5 minute time frame. Remember, I told you guys no need for you to rush, because I'm already seeing some confirmations, but no need for you to just like rush the market and stuff like that. No need to do that. You have to know what you are doing and have your signal confirmations, be it 1, 2, 3, 4, anyhow it is, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever it is, guys. Whatever it is. All right. Okay, execution time, guys. The market is ready. Let me go down to USD card, trade, and boom. I'm selling USD card, guys. Selling and selling and selling USD card, yeah. Boom. I just sold the USD card, guys. So I sold the USD card around price 1.35889. So I just sold the USD card. I'll update you guys with that right now with the tick profit, stop loss, and so on and so forth. So let me go back down to the 1 hour time frame. So this is USD card, and I sold it at that price which I mentioned earlier. Let me get rid of this first, and let me get rid of this. Of course, this has no use again because I'm already in the trade. All right, so this is USD card 1 hour time frame right now, and I'm about to put this here. Sorry, oops, what is happening? And stop loss is gonna be up there, take profit, it's gonna be somewhere right there. Let me check the entry point. I'll minus 2.5 pips right now on USD card. So don't worry, that is just because of spread and so on. So 3588889, that's the entry point. All right, so we're gonna be risking about 35, yeah, that's 35, and to make 70 pips. So 35 pips to make 70 pips, that's 1 to 2 risk to ratio. So we are minus 4 pips right now, guys. Minus 4 pips, you know. Well, let's see. I am minus 5 pips, you know. I don't know if you guys took this trade. If you took this trade, you know, you can just send 1, send 2, 3, you know, just send 1, indicate by sending 1 in the live chat section. If you are in this trade, indicate by sending 1 in the live chat section if you are in it. Just send 1. Let me just recognize those of you who are selling with me. All right, let me just recognize those of you who are selling with me right here. So this is USD card and we are selling it, or we already sold it. It's gonna go down for, oh, let me update my students with the USD card trade so they can just know that I'm in right now. Around price 1.35 889. Okay, for those of you that are in my free Telegram channel, definitely you'll see that update. I just sent it right now. You'll be able to see it. All right, so now let me copy so we can all know about this stuff. Oh, Male is saying this Alcana is saying, yeah. All right, so you guys are in the trade. Let's get it, we in. So I'm in the trade as well. I am in it. All right, so this is it right now. All right, so this is the trade right now and we are in it, guys. So this is my entry point, you know, that's the entry point. So, and the next thing I'm going to do is to update you guys about the first take profit, second take profit, and the final take profit, right? Stop loss as well. I'll update you guys with the stop loss and things like that. It is very, very important so that you all can know that, okay, this is what we are doing right here live on YouTube. It is very, very important. Very, very important, guys. Okay, so yeah, we are selling it, and let me update the take profit, stop loss, and so on and so forth, so we can just take note of this. Okay, $30. That's going to be our first take profit. Let me check. So I'm trying to update the first take profit and second take profit, guys. It's gonna be USD card. So stop loss is 35 pips. Yeah, that's around price 1.36 240. That's minus 35 pips. Then first take profit 30 pips. That's around price 1.355 5589. And that's that. And the second take profit is going to be 1.35 389. Alright, so the final take profit, which is for 70 pips, is around price 1.35 189, and it is 70 pips. Alright, so yeah, I'm done with the take profit and so on. So I just sent it to my premium channel, guys. Now I'm sending to the ITT VIP signal channel, sending to the ITT free telegram channel, and there we go. Alright, so now we are at break even. We are at break even right now. Let me copy the data for the sake of those of you who are not in our free telegram channel, who are not in our page group, which is the ITT premium mentorship, so that you all can see this is what we are in, right? Very, very important. Okay, so this is it. And nah, this text is so long, man. Gotta edit this so that I don't make it long. All right, so this is the data. Hopefully you all can see this. All right, hopefully you guys can see it. This is the data. Or let me just make some amendments. Let me increase the font so you guys can just see it clearly. Yeah, so this is the data, guys, so you all can copy it right now. My entry points, stop loss, and stuff like that. That's it right there. So let's wait and see what happens on USD card. We still in it and trading it. Okay, guys, so let's see what happens on this particular trade I just got in. Minus 3 pips again, minus 4 pips. So I mean, yeah, minus 3 pips. Let's just see what happens. All right. So we just have to wait, guys, and see what the market. Okay, the market is trying to push back up again for these retracements. We minus 7 pips. We minus 7 pips. Now minus 8 pips, guys. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Mala is saying so this week is gonna be a good week. Alright. We hope so. We can never tell the market at times, it used to misbehave, but let's see what happens. Our first trade of the week right now is minus 8 pips in profit. So, it is what it is. Let's see what happens, guys. We don't give up, man. Alright, let's just keep on watching whatever that is happening here. Keep on watching it. Alright. We'll keep on monitoring this this very trade. Okay, the market is trying to just be pushing up, but let's see what happens. We are now minus 11 pips, so we keep it up, man. Yeah, for those of you that are just joining us, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course, share this video with your friends and family. Very, very important. So, okay, let's get it, man. Can you check one more time? Okay, GBP USD. All right, I'll try to check that. We'll get news this whole week. Yeah, for sure, man. We'll get news. We have a lot of news this week, so we have lots of fundamentals, guys. Let me just check it out for you so you all can know that we have a lot of fundamentals. Okay. We have a lot of fundamentals. All right, you can see them even in 27 minutes. We're gonna have another news coming out on euro, and of course we still have another news on CAD today in the next 5 hours. So we still have a lot of news, guys. So we just have to keep our eyes on these news as they are being released. All right, as they are being released. So that's just what is going on when it comes to fundamentals. So we are still monitoring what's going on USD CAD right now, because we keep our eye on it closely. Keep our eyes on it. Make sure you set your stop loss, take profit, and everything, guys, as I sent it. All right, so we are minus 8 pips right now. Just set your stop loss, take profit, and things like that, in case if the market go back up and hit our or try to just push back up and stuff like that. So yeah, these are very, very important. So it's very important for us to just put our stop loss, take profit, and things like that. All right. So we are experiencing some sort of network issues. So let me check this out. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I think I will check back up on you guys later on. So, but right now, you know, I will try as much as I can to just let me check out the GBP USD as requested. GBP USD. Okay. Oh, so GBP USD almost we already missed the target. It has already reached our where we are supposed to get in for as our entry point. So right now it is not still the right time to get in. It's not the right time to get in. All right. So yeah, this is it, guys. So it will still have to come down here before it will go back up. So let's see, guys. Like this. All right. Let's see what happens. So that is it. Oh my goodness. So there's nothing much happening on GBP USD, to be honest with you all. There's nothing much happening on GBP USD. All right, guys. So yeah, with that being said, I will check up on you guys later on, because right now I'll just be monitoring my trades and stuff like that. I have other things to attend to, guys. I have other things to attend to right now. So okay. Yeah, we are -6 pips right now on USD card. -6 pips. And the person that asked about GBP USD, do you have any question, bro? Any question? Are you going to trade the news? Yeah, I will trade the news, but not today. We have NFP this week. If you know what NFP means, you know, let me do something like this. All right, we have NFP today. Not today, but this week, right? Not today. Don't misquote me, please. Let me check on Friday. This is Tuesday. Let's check on Friday. Friday. Thursday, March. Okay, this is Friday. So these are the news that we're going to be having on Friday. Unemployment rates. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Non-farm payroll. So this is for February, and this is gonna be on Friday, which is on 10th of March, in 4 days time. So this, oh my goodness, the market will be crazy, guys. The market will be crazy, but we will see what happens. We'll see what happens on that very day. All right, as I say, you know, I'm always going to be here with you guys. I'm always going to be here. Okay, so hold on, I'm having some messages. All right, so okay, somebody say thanks. You're welcome. So yeah, with that being said, guys, let me just wait for what the market will bring. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Yeah, have a profitable week, guys, and of course, make sure you are trading with a good risk management. I will see you guys maybe during New York session. So peace out, guys. I'm signing up, man. Of course, just a reminder, if you are not yet subscribed to our free Telegram channel, make sure you do that right now. All the links are down in the description below. And of course, if today is your first time here, make sure you share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to just support the team ITT, definitely you will see one button that says support Israel the trader. You can share one or two things, and of course, just do that. I will see you guys in the meantime during New York session. Peace out, man.